Hello guys, today I'm going to share you the most important topic, which is simple exercise to lose belly fat at home. But before going to start, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you are worried about your belly fat, as belly fat is the stubborn fat which can't be reduced immediately. There are a lot of exercises which we can find on a Google or a YouTube, but we don't know that which one is the effective one. And in a very busy schedule, we can't do a lot of exercises. Today, I will discuss you 5 simple exercises which will be effective. Now, let's have a look. Holding 1 liter of bottle in your both hands and just lift up and down. As plank is the most effective exercise from all. Start from a little time, 30 seconds, and gradually increase your time day by day. Keep doing these exercises for 15 days and you will get a miraculous result.